Hello, this is Mrs. Hogg. I'm going to show you how to submit a technology ticket. If you need a repair on an item or a software issue, this is how it's done. We are at the Fort Worth homepage. You click on Employees. And then right up here it says Tech Help Service Ticket Request or Service Request. You're going to log in with your Fort Worth username and password. Sometimes it takes a second. Okay. And then gives you all these options. If you have email issues, we have hardware support. So if you have a problem with your laptop, Promethean, if you have a problem with your Promethean board, software support, if you have a piece of software that's not in the software center, printer copier issues right here. Those are the main ones you'll probably do. So we're going to click on hardware support. And I'm going to submit for a laptop. Okay, and my laptop has a problem. It's not displaying anything. I'm going to put in request service right up here. You're going to put in make. This is a Lenovo model. You look on, usually these are on the top up above the keyboard. This is a L560. Serial number is scratched off, but I do have an asset tag number. Those are usually on the bottom, so you're going to have to flip your device over, your laptop over, and describe the issue. Screen is dead and will also put what you have done. Okay. The power button comes on, but not the screen. All right. And I'm going to copy this because sometimes it asks me to type this in again. You don't need to worry about a budget number. If you have any pictures, you can add attachments of those pictures. Make sure you also put your location. We're at 127 Moss Elementary, room number, library. I would put a number like your cell phone number. I'm going to put the library phone. But you can put your cell number so they can actually get a hold of you, because a lot of times they will call. Okay. Then I'm going to hit submit. You can hit save to. Sometimes this little extra box comes up, so I'm just going to paste what I've already put, and then I hit submit. Okay. And then on my email, here is my ticket number 4403. So if they ever call you or you call them, then you have your ticket number to keep up with. They also will email you this receipt, and then they might email you questions. Like if you forget to put your model number, they might ask you your model number, or try this and let us know what happens. So make sure you check your email and keep up with your technology tickets. If you get a ticket that says closed and it's not yet resolved, then this ticket number helps you keep track of that. If you have any questions about technology or submitting a ticket, please come by the library or email me.